Hello dear students, welcome to the maths video class of standard 5. We were discussing chapter number 7. Can you see the pattern? In the previous lecture, you studied magic squares and magic hexagons. Let us continue with the new topic. Are they equal? Are they equal? Here sum of these three number and sum of these three number are equal. The number are same, but the order of the numbers are changed, but the result will be same. Here 24 is first, but here second, and here 19 is second, here it is third. So 24 plus 19 plus 37 is equal to 37 plus 24 plus 19. And same way here also 215 plus 120 plus 600 is equal to 600 plus 215 plus 120. That means they are equal. Sum of these three number and sum of these three numbers are equal. Here fill in the blank space in the same way as above. Now look at this. 14 plus here blank and here plus blank. That means here which numbers are missing? 34 and 20. So we need to write 34 and 20 here. Now question B. Here blanks plus 42 plus blank is equal to 65 plus blank plus 80. So here which number is missing? 42. So first we need to write here 42. Here which number are missing? 65 and 80. So we need to write here 65 plus 42 plus 80, that means 65 and 80. Now question C here, 200 plus 300 plus blank is equal to blank plus 400 plus blank. So children, here which number is missing? 400. So we have to write here 400. Here which numbers are missing? 200 and 300. So we need to write here 200 and 300. Now here question D. Here only blanks are given. Here 3 blanks and here 3 blanks. So we need to write here numbers both sides so that the sum of these 3 number and these 3 number will be equal. So let's write. So here I have written 57 plus 32 plus 28 is equal to 28 plus 57 plus 32. Now check if it is true or not. 48 into 30 is equal to 38 into 48. So yes, this is correct, because we can write 2 into 3 is equal to 3 into 2. Both are equal, 6, 6. And here also the product of these two number and which are on left side and the product of these two number which are on right side are equal. Now left, right, same to same. So we see that to get special numbers we sometimes need more steps. Can you see something special about 1 to 1? What? It's just a number. This says this 1 to 1 is just a number. Now this bird says, see, it is the same forward as well as backward. This number is same. Forward means 1 to 1 as well as backward means from here 1 to 1. 1 to 1. Oh yes, it is 1 to 1 from right to left also, means left to right 1 to 1 and right to left also 1 to 1. From both sides we can read it same, 1 to 1, 1 to 1. That means changing the order of number does not make any difference to the sum. Now proceeding further on page number 106. Come, let's see how to get such numbers. Such numbers means the number which can be read from left to right and from right to left same, means they are same forward as well as backward. So here take a number, say 43. Now turn it back to front. That means this last digit comes first and first digit goes last. So turn it back to front, back to front. Now then add them together. Here 34 plus 43 is equal to 77. Now 77 is one such special number. There are many such numbers. So you have reversed the number by writing it back to front. Here we have reversed the number by writing it back to front. Here take another number 48. Now turn it back to front. That means reverse the number. 48. Here write 84. Then add them together. That means here add them together. 8 plus 4, 12. Here 2. Here carry 1. Carry over 1. So 4 plus 5 plus 8, 13. So 132. Is this a special number? No. Why not? This is not special number because it is not same forward as well as backward. 132 and by reverse we can read as 231. So this is not a special number. Okay. Carry on with the number. Now carry on with this number 132. So 132, again turn it back to front. Now again reverse the number. So 231. Then add the 2 together, means these two numbers add together. 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 3 6, 1 plus 2 3. So 1 plus 2 3, that means 3 6 3. This is a special number. Now you try and change this number into special number. Now let's use words in a special way. So children, here 28 given, then question B 132 and question C 273. So now let's change this number into a special number by following this. Now let us try and change this number into special numbers. 28, 132 and 273. So first take this number 28 and as a rule turn it back to front. That means reverse the digit. 2882. Now add this both the number together. 28 plus 82 is equal to 110. 110 is not special number because we cannot read the same from left to right and right to left. Now turn it back to front. That means here reverse the digit 0 1 1. Now add this both the number together 110 plus 0 1 1. So 121. Now 121 is a special number. Here question B 132, reverse the digits of number is equal to, that means turn it back to front. So 231. Add these two number together. 132 plus 231 is equal to 363. Now 363 is a special number. Here 273. Here reverse the digits of number, that means turn it back to front. Here 372. Now add this both number together. So 273 plus 372 is equal to 645. Now 645 is not a special number. So carry on with this number and repeat first two step again. So reverse the digit of number 645, that means turn it back to front. 546. So here 546. Now add this both number together. 645 plus 546 is equal to 1191. Now again 1191 is not a special number. So repeat the first two step again and carry on with this number. Reverse the digits of number, turn it back to front. 1911. Now add this both number together. If we add this both number, we will get 3102. Now 3102 is not a special number, so repeat. That means carry on with this number and repeat first two step again. Reverse the digits of number is equal to, that means turn it back to front. That means 2013, 2013. Now add this both number together. 3102 plus 2013 is equal to 5115. Now 5115 is a special number because it can be read from left to right and from right to left same. Means it is same forward as well as backward. Did you notice that it reads the same from both sides, right to left and left to right? No lemons, no melon. If we read from right to left, it reads the same. That means here no lemons, no melon. Here step not on pets. Here step not on pets. Right? Now try and use word in a special way. Now here are the some words which read the same from both sides, right to left. This right to left and left to right are madam. So from left to right here MADM. Now right to left MADM, madam. Top spot. So from left to right top spot. Now from right to left TOPSPOT. So top spot. I did I. This also reads the same from both the side. I did I. Never odd or even. So from left to right never odd or even, and right to left NEVER. O odd. ODD odd. OR or EVEN even. This also same. Was it a cat I saw? This also reads the same from both sides. Eva, can I see bees in a cave? This also reads the same from both sides. Now let us move on page number 107. Here calendar magic. Look at the calendar below. Let us mark 3 by 3 into 3 box. That means 9 dates on the calendar and see some magic. I can quickly find the total of this number in the box. How? Let us see. Won't it take some time? The total is 99. Here if we add this all the number, the total is 99. But we can quickly find the total of this number by this trick. That is why it is calendar magic. First take the smallest number from this box. So which is the smallest number? 3. Then add 8 to it. That means 3 plus 8 is equal to 11, and then multiply it by 9. So 11 nines are 99. So total is 99. Hey, just take the middle number and multiply it by 9. See, you can get the answer even faster. So there is another way also to find out the total quickly. Just take this middle number 11 and multiply by 9. So 11 nines are 99. Now you choose any 3 by 3 box from a calendar and find the total in the same way. Play this game with your family. Okay, let's do this. First choose any 3 by 3 box. So here we are choosing. Now we choose this 3 by 3 box from this calendar, and now we are finding out the total in the same way of this box. First take a smaller number as in the shown in the first step. Take the smallest number. So this is 1. Now add 8 to it. That means plus 8. So 1 plus 8, 9. Then multiply by 9. Here third step. So 9 nines are 81. This is first method, and second method, just here given, just take the middle number. This from this box middle number is 9. So I have taken 9 middle number and multiply it by 9. So I can get the answer even faster. 9 nines are 81. Same answer. Student, write the solution of the question which we have solved today in your math notebook from the PDF. Thank you.